One, we will talk today about Python with data science. Python is easiest programming language for beginner. That because have libraries and tools. It help in pre-processing or data collecting or visualization data. Most popular libraries are NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn, Pandas, and we will talk about key features for each one. Let's begin with NumPy. Key features: efficient array operation, linear algebra function with matrices or vectors, random number generation, SciPy, scientific Python. Key feature: signal processing, optimization, integration, statistics, scikit-learn. Key features: unsupervised learning, supervised learning, classification, regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, model selection and evaluation, pre-processing data, data cleaning and transformation. Pandas. Key feature: data frame, data loading and cleaning, time series analysis, merging and joining data set, grouping and aggregation, data visualization, often integrated with matplotlib.